Okay, so you should have already watched the Photoshop tutorial on YouTube. Very good one, very thorough. But I just wanted to review very quickly a couple of the features that I would like for you to use in your yearbook entry. So let's open, let's say water lilies. Okay, and you'll notice I've got the layers here, the layers, little layers window, like he said. Um, what I'm going to do here is, first of all, let's change the tool. I don't want this to be a background layer because background layers are always locked. Okay, so what I want to do is get a layer from background, call it layer 0 or whatever you want, but now it's a regular layer. It's not locked anymore. Okay, and now, by the way, I can, you can use the crop tool and all the other stuff. We're not going to do any of that. You've already seen that stuff. I want to show you how to mask a picture. So let's say I want to mask this picture with a circle, and if I pull that down, I want to make it a circle, not an ellipse, and I want to draw it from the center. So I'm going to draw it from the center of the circle will be right here, and I want to draw a nice little circle around there like that. All right. So now when I come over to the layers, you'll notice when I have the mouse inside the little blue area, it turns into a little hand, which means I can drag it, right? So I'm going to left click and drag, and I want that below the picture layer, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this little hand appearing here like this, and if I hold down the Alt key as I just move this up, don't click anything, just move the mouse up, it turns into this interlocking circles thing. So left click and that masks it. So I've got this flower layer masked. Okay? So I'm going to click on that layer and make it the active layer. So now let's go up here and create a new file, and I want to call it my entry, and I want it to be 5.5 by 8.5, remember, right? Okay, and so there it is. Now I can bring in pictures if I want to, whatever I want, but let's say I want to recreate some of this little flower here. So that layer is active. I'm going to click on this clone tool and Alt left click where I want to start and then bring it over here, and now just I can click and drag and see I can just kind of draw in that little flower, whatever I want to do with it there. See, it recreates the picture of the flower. And you can bring in the hair and put it on my bald head, whatever you want to do. Okay, that's really all I wanted to talk about very quickly in this little extra video.